Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Canon printer directly from the display screen. So let's begin. First, make sure your Canon printer is turned on. Then, typically, you need to press the OK button on your printer to enter the menu. Once you're inside the settings menu, use the up and down arrow buttons to scroll through the options until you find device settings. Tap or press OK to select it. Then, inside the device settings menu, scroll down until you find reset settings and select it. When you open the reset menu, your printer will show different types of reset options. Just choose reset all or restore factory defaults, then press the OK button to confirm. After selecting it, the printer will ask you for final confirmation. Navigate to yes and press OK again to start the reset process. Your printer will restart automatically. This may take a few seconds, so just wait until it turns back on. Once it restarts, all previous settings including Wi-Fi, network details, and any custom preferences will be erased. Your Canon printer is now fully restored to its original factory settings. At this point, your printer is ready to be set up again. If you need help reconnecting it, feel free to watch one of our setup videos, whether you want to connect using a USB cable, Wi-Fi on your PC, or your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and useful tech tutorials.